In this video, I want to show you how you can create and embed a live stream on your own WordPress website. So if you are planning to host a live stream or host a coaching session or something like this, and you don't want to make this public, or you don't want to use something like YouTube or all the other streaming platforms, you have the option to include the live stream only on your website or to create the live stream only on your website. So if you want to create a coaching service on your website, or if you want to host a live event for your company or something like this on your website, and you don't want to use YouTube or something like this, or there are so many other options, for example, live shopping. If you have an e-commerce website and you want to create some kind of live event where you show your new products or something like this, or yeah, like I said, company events or product reveals, or yeah, everything you can imagine. So I have the perfect solution for you here. So, and this is what I want to show you, how this works and how you can implement this on your website. Yeah, of course, you need a WordPress website, and then we need a new plugin or a new service, because yeah, we have to use a platform where we can buffer our files, our stream files. So we cannot do this directly from our webcam to our website. So we have to use a middleman, so a platform where we can store this data and then where we can publish this data to our website. For this, we have to, or I want to use a service called WPStream. I will put the link to this plugin in the video description down below. So if you want to check it out, then go to the video description. There I will put the link to the platform website and also to this plugin. You can check that out. And yeah, this is what I want to do now, what I want to show you how this works. So let me copy this, and then let's go to our website. So this is yeah, a test website I made. And also we have, or I created a live stream live stream landing page. Yeah, only to show you. So then we head over to our dashboard, and from our WordPress dashboard we go to plugins and then add new plugin. And here on this page we are searching, or we are pasting this in here, and we are searching for the plugin, and here it is. You can see WPStream live streaming. Then we will install this, and also yeah, you have to make a free account. So now this is installed, and let me refresh this. Oh, okay. Of course, first we have to activate this, of course. And yeah, there it is. So then we have to register an account. So if you don't have an account yet, you can create a free account. You can choose a password, and yeah, then you can register your account. But I already have an account because I use this service for myself. So this is you can create a free account, like I said. I will click here. Then I will log in with my login credentials. Let me do this real quick. Okay, now I successfully logged in. And now we have two options: go live or create a video on demand. So I want to click go live. Then we have the next two options. Do you want to charge or free for watching? So you have the option to charge for this. So when a user wants to see your live stream, then yeah, you can charge them money for this, or you can create a free live stream. So for now, I want to go with the free option, free to view. Click here. Then you can give this a name. So let's live stream test 1, for example. Oh, let me pick this test 1. Then I click on create channel. So now we have this pop up here. Hooray! You just created your first free to view channel. You can check out all your free to view channels or create new ones from this menu. So these are only the tips here. Then here's the control panel. Next, here is the settings menu. So the settings menu, of course, is really important. There you have to set up all your audio source, your video source, and so on. Click here, and yeah, when you click this button, then you are live. But let me close this. Okay, so now we are here on this page, and let me see. Let me click here on channel settings. So record live stream, you can record this as well. So then, yeah, a normal MP4 file will also be created that you can publish later on your website or on YouTube or something like this. Display view account, locked website. So then, yeah, the link cannot be shared. So then the live stream is only visible on your website. Autoplay, start muted, low latency, adaptive bitrate, and so on. Close this. Everything is good. So let's see here. So then let's check out our dashboard real quick. Here you can see the dashboard. I'm on the free pro trial, but this is enough for me. Here you can see the available data you have per month. You have 5.5 gigabyte per month, and then available cloud storage. Of course, if you upgrade to a paid plan, then I think you have unlimited cloud storage and unlimited data per month. Let's see where we can. Let me refresh this real quick. Also here on the left side, you have all the control panels, or you can see when you are live, then you can check out when you click here, then you can check out all the stats, how many users are currently on the live stream and so on. Let me go back to the dashboard. And yeah, then let's go back to our WordPress website, to the back end. Okay, then let's click here on turn on. So now the channel is turned, or the live stream will get created. And also you can use OBS or StreamYard or other streaming services that you can connect with your WordPress website or with the live streaming function here if you want to use OBS, for example. This can yeah, take a while. Okay, now the channel is on. So then we have the options here, go live with your webcam. You can connect this now. You can connect this with yeah, your favorite streaming app if you want, or software like OBS or StreamYard or something like this. And here are the live statistics if you want to see this. But for now, for testing purposes, let's click on webcam. Now we will get the preview. And now, yeah, a new page has opened, and here you can see how this looks like. You can see me here in this preview window. You can see my green screen. You can see the webcam. Of course, we can change the webcam. You can see we can choose, or I have connected OBS, or I have OBS installed. Then we can choose the microphone and so on. And then I will click on allow. Okay, now you can see me here. Okay, then I can click on start broadcasting. Okay, now I could click on stop broadcasting if I want to stop this. And now this is live on our website. So right now this is on this test page, but of course you could grab this and paste it on another page. Let me click on update here. Now the website is live, I think. Let's click on view post or view page. And yeah, now you can see, yeah, that we started our live event, our live stream. And yeah, this is really cool. So you can use this. You can, of course, embed this live stream on any other page. If you want to, if you make a dedicated page, for example, on this page in my case, but this would take a little bit too long. I just want to show you how this works. And yeah, this is really cool. So if you are searching for a cool way to create a live stream, a live event on your own website, and if you don't want to use YouTube or any other platforms, live stream platforms, when you want to have this in your own control, then you can use this software, this platform. I will put all the links in the video description down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, if you learned something new, if you found the video informative, then I would appreciate, of course, if you press the thumbs up button on the video. And also, yeah, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a small creator, and for me, of course, yeah, every thumbs up, every like button click, and every subscription helps a lot. And yeah, for this, then yeah, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.